The Jamara Venezia is a low-cost, two-channel RC boat. It's apparently a loose interpretation of a model of a Riva-style, though with a very different rear end. There's no rudder. The boat's steered by independently controlling the widely spaced propellers. Here's the transmitter, the boat's stand, an 8 AA battery box. A bit of a disappointment actually. Access is no disappointment, however. It's via this very rigid hatch, which is secured by these 3 clips, which clamp the cover against a white rubber gasket. I wish manufacturers such as Graupner and Proboat would take note. It wouldn't be hard to find a 6-volt NIM, say a receiver pack from a 1/8 scale buggy, to plug into here. As you can see here, the 2 motors sit snugly together with the prop shafts as far apart as possible. The transmitter disappointed me, as it uses a tiny 9-volt battery, which made me think range might be poor.
What I'm going to do is use a cheap supermarket own brand alkaline battery, because I think that's what most people would do. Brilliant system, I love it. First ever go.
Obviously, running on 8 AA batteries is going to be slow, but it is just fast enough in a straight line to be reasonably credible.
That is useful. Reverse.
You can turn by stopping one motor, or you can actually go backwards on one side and forwards on the other. It's reasonably robust as well. It's hard to define where this model belongs in the marketplace. It falls somewhere between being toy grade and being hobby grade, and that statement is impressive in itself, as the price is definitely at the toy grade end of the spectrum. It has features which hobby grade manufacturers should note, such as the very effective hatch with its discreet, easy to use retaining clips. In fact, the system works very, very well. After testing, the boat was almost completely bone dry inside. In scale terms, it's an impressive piece of work. Though not a direct scale model of any particular Riva boat that I can ascertain, it does have this incredible detail. There's even a very good waterproof on-off switch on the cockpit floor. Once again, Graupner and Proboat, take note. That's how much water was inside the boat after I finished testing it. That white rubber gasket really does work. The deck fittings and screen edging are in chrome. The Proboat Valeri 22 at 4 times the price can only offer silver paint here.